Let's do a quick analysis of Nifty futures. So the market opened with close to 100 points gap down, but in the morning there was short coverings, and the market did break the structure to the upside. And within an hour, the market did reach a strong supply zone as well as the psychological level, and it tapped 17,600, which is quite strong supply zone over here. And if the price did break this 17,600 level, I did mention it in the group as well. My target was 17,640 followed by 17,690, but the market did respect this supply zone, and we saw some bearish sentiments in the market where we saw the change of character tap into this supply zone. There is a pivot based supply zone over here, and the market went down. And once it reached this demand zone, we can clearly see the market did react to this demand zone, but what matters is the follow through. And unfortunately, we didn't get the follow through, and this demand zone failed. And it did retest the extreme demand zone. But if you clearly noticed, this candle never tap into this demand zone. So probably these are some retail traders who entered the trade over here, probably some FOMO entries. So there was liquidation just below this level. So the price did go up a little and came back and tapped into this demand zone, probably liquidating the people who had their stop losses below this, and also tap into this demand zone, giving us a high probability trade. And we could probably look for a long trade over here until the target would be the next supply zone. And if you notice, this is the supply zone that we had, and the market did react to this supply zone. But what, as mentioned earlier, what matters is the follow through. And unfortunately, we didn't get the follow through over here as well. And the bulls were really strong enough by the later part of the day, and it did break this range to the upside. This dotted range to the upside, leaving us with a strong demand zone over here. And once the market broke the structure, it did tap into this demand zone, and we could possibly look for a scalp trade or a long trade over here. If you're scalping, we could target this level, or if you are taking a long trade, you could close 50% of the profit and let the next 50% be the target until this swing high. So if you notice, 17,600 was tapped, we did reach the target over here. And as mentioned earlier, there was a reaction from this supply zone, but follow through is what we are looking for, and we didn't get the follow through. And if you notice, we were building internal liquidity. What I'll do is I'll mark this over here, the internal liquidity that we had. So when the price tapped into this supply zone, there was an internal liquidity from here. See, giving us equal lows until this. So all this region, we had internal liquidity over here. So what happened? Let me just close this. Let's remove this annotation. Yeah, since there was internal liquidity, price did grab this liquidity when this candle was made and tap into this demand zone, giving us another high probability trade. We could possibly look for a long trade over here till the swing high. That would be the safest target, and we could have easily made some good money. And that's my analysis for Nifty futures. And with regards to tomorrow, we'll see how the market opens up, and based on that, I will be updating my Telegram channel. If you want, you can follow my Telegram channel. It's completely free. and I'll mention the details in the description. Or if you have any doubts, you can book a one-to-one Zoom session on Calendly, and it is on those details are on my Telegram as well as on my Instagram.